What is going on, guys? It's Ernesto here with It's Cali Construction. Guys, we have a little care package right here from Columbia Tools. Let's see what we got. Oof, check this out, guys. So on this house, what we are doing is we're doing a level 4, level 5 finish. So they wanted it to be smooth. And I hit up Aaron and I was just telling him that I would like to kind of hit the bands, you know, give them a little skim coat for the last coat. And he suggested, you know, to do the 10, 12, 14 system. So look at what we have here, guys. A 14-inch box. So this one, what we're gonna be doing is just skimming all the bands just so that it's nice and tidied up on all the level 4 sections. You know, all the level 5, well, we're skimming everything, but the level 4, we're just doing that. So he sent that out to me. And then I was also telling him that I was having a little bit of issues with my glazer for some reason. And he told me how to fix it and everything, but he was so freaking kind to also, you know, give me a little bit of a different size just to try it out and see if maybe that was another issue that I could be having. But we are all set now, guys. So a huge thank you to Aaron with Columbia Tools. Super thankful, man. And we're about to show you guys a little bit of what we're gonna do with this one.